Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are Trade Unite Observer Crypto Group. So now it's the time for trading Asia, and it's 2025 July 22nd, and it's also the 8:17 a.m. in Beijing. So let's start today's sharing. So let's just about today's performance of Bitcoin, Ethereum. So we can see that Bitcoin is still in the block in these structures, and yesterday we see that there's a downward trend this to the 116,000, and it's just now back to the 170,000. So still in this structures not be broken. So we must be careful about this the future data. It's really important. And Ethereum is still very bullish. We can see that the upward trend still not be broken. We can see although it's a little bit downward trend, and maybe we are starting in a block structures in these areas, but still not be have an obvious performance of it. So that will be very interesting. Let's see about some the future data. And to then start our sharing. The first is let's see about Vivian. 4 p.m. close update. Vivian said close below the session completely. This is full of weakness. The session was lost at 170, 777. Since it closed bearish, it displays a bit further, then retouches value area low at 170,777, and then dumps from Asia likely. If close below 170,000, down London is entry, but sentiment is short still until tomorrow night. So just be very careful. Below TGIF, the daily close equal weakness, so equal to the Asia session dumps. Target between 116 to the 116,000. 666. So seller step in at the above the 180,000. So London opens to New York open pumps to this level. So retouch of the level dumps out hard, and it goes to 150,000. So we could get lower. So to summarize, Asia short to 116K area, London, New York, long not tradable to 180.5K area, and New York open short to 150K area. So that is really sad. So he's still to be careful. Maybe we will have a downward trend still, but when just the price just open above of the 180,000, maybe it's time to go long. So that's her opinion, and he do the. So let's see about her two contract swing channel. So the first one is a ETC short, make profit, and the next is BCH shorts, make profit, and the third is XTZ short, make profit. Absolutely great. So and let's see project. Okay, Broden said we need to be careful about some news like the Tuesday Fed's Bostic Bridge, Wednesday US existing home sales, Thursday ECB rate decision and press conference, and Friday US durable goods orders, Google earnings Wednesday after market close. Is that over the week, Bitcoin range inside the Monday high, Tuesday low, Friday's low, and fingerprints below remain in focus for long setups, not a typical all-time high breakout. Instead, Bitcoin is basing above all-time high, which is less common historically. I'm not interested in longs above 150,200, waiting for better structures or deeper sweep. So the whole market text is about Bitcoin's consolidating below all-time high with low volatility. Current weekly structure is not a classic breakout, more like post-break range building. Extraction either break higher of pro highs or revisit key supports would need to be considered about SPS and the prior lows. That's pretty important. And the key levels 150,000, 130, 600, 111,900. So the short up is about 121,300. It's pretty important. We can see that the key observer is the poor highs on Friday, and the current range suggests potential sweep before any trade. Inside the range, no trade for me. Would rather trade altcoins for now. So strong Ethereum and altcoin performance, which is need to be preferred to stay focused there while Bitcoin chops, and that is what he said. And Daniel said in the 11 a.m. yesterday, in the end, the simple build auction did trade perfectly. I just felt at the time it was too easy of a trade. It won't play out, but it didn't. So yes, after the bounce, I would take the range low to the new low made, or this just as it would far away. It can be updated now to the lowest low. So for me, there are both important, but the market structure is what I base that for as if it was a weak breakout. It wouldn't have continued with HH. So you mean the one at 140,000? For me, that would be a whole new step up of big weakness. So not from the range we are not in right now, which doesn't expect to 140,000 to come. So 0.74 was over the dream, but I am testing a few other levels assigned that too, so I can see that the breadth. That is what Daniel says. So that is today's sharing. We can see that the NAB is the latest channel for our society. We will test them and just to calculate the winning rate. If it does really good, they will join in our society, and we will just share some information for all of you guys. So let's do this sharing. I hope you have enjoyed your day. Bye bye.